So welcome to this video. We'll be looking at introduction to probability and mathematics. So probability, there are chances in short. For example, let me give an example. Let's say here is a male and then there's a female. What's the probability or what is the chance that the two are going to have a male or a girl child? For sex determination, we know that we are going to have 2xy and we close and 2xx. That means this is 50% and this is 50%, and that's the probability. So, for example, the probability of having a male child to be how many? There are 2, so to be 2 over total number of outcome is 4, which is 50%. That's what probability actually is about. It's just chances. So probability is equal to possible outcomes over total outcomes. Let's see an example. So let's look at this example. Now this is with the displacement. A box contains 2 blue pens, 3 white pens. The pen is picked at random from the box. Find the probability of picking a blue pen, a white pen, both colors. So we need first to find the total number of pens in this case. The total number of pens which you have is 2 plus 3, which will go to give you 5 pens. We have a total number of 5 pens. So to find the probability of blue pen, to be probability of blue pens is equal to possible outcomes of blue pens. How many are there? There are 2. It will be 2 over total outcome 5. You are done. For B, probability of picking a white pen will equal to possible outcomes for white is 3 over 5. Now make sure if these 2 can be reduced, make sure you reduce them to the lowest fraction. Now, see both colors. In probability, both means multiplication. So when we say both colors, we mean the probability of blue and the probability of what? Of white. So put them together. So probability of blue is 2 over 5. Then we are multiplying, remember both means multiplication. Probability of white is 5. Then 2 times 3 we get 6. 5 times 5 you get 25. If this can also be reduced, make sure you reduce it. So this is the probability of blue and white at the same time. Now, part D says draw a tree diagram for the possible outcomes. Now, a tree diagram is a branches that shows the possible outcomes in a given probability. Now, we only have 2 colors, so we have the branch for blue and also have the branch for white. Now, let me move this part. Now, when you look at this, we only had one selection. It's only one pen that was picked, remember. So we only have one branch instead. If 2 pens were picked, it would have been like this. So that to show the first selection here, and the second selection there. Now, since only one pen was picked, so we only have one selection. So probability of picking a blue pen, we found it was 2/5. That's of picking a blue pen. And that of a white was 3/5. That's a tree diagram. This is the only selection that we have. If we had the 2 pens being picked, we could have drawn another branch to show that 2 pens were picked. Hence, possible outcomes. So outcomes. For outcomes, we have only B and W. Because inside there's only a branch for B and there's another branch for W. So those are the outcomes. This is probability with lead placement. So thank you. I'll see you in the next video.